5 balloons, 5 minutes?
I can see the bird.
Those are feathers, dude.
Oh! He didn't even look at it. He's crying. He's crying.
Mabuhay.
And we got the filthy fish right here. What are we doing?
I've got the black long pops. We're here at Chinatown, Utah, USA. We're gonna buy some ingredients for some halo halo. Maybe get a balut or two for my buddy Zan.
No.
See what kind of funky stuff they got here. Balut! Come here, Zane. Oh, dude, I've missed this so much.
Oh, man.
Zane's 10 likes and he'll eat it raw. 10?
I thought these ones were cooked.
I think this is a 23-day-old, dude.
Really?
I don't know. It doesn't say how old.
Here.
This is a mystery ball.
Let me smell, I know.
What's in the wonder ball?
I know.
22.
22.
Yeah. You down?
Not 25.
That's freaking walking around by that point.
We'll come back to this. We'll find some halo halo stuff first. Sometimes you just gotta come here and buy some pickled ginger. Slap it thrice.
That would be good.
Be good to slap it at night?
Yeah, go and slap it, dude. That's a good feeling, eh?
I liked it.
Hey, if we got a balut, would you try it? You should definitely try the balut. It's only $1. I'm gonna get one for you. Why not? Sounds fun to me. I already did. It wasn't that bad. Zane's doing it. He's gonna show you up.
Zane, you sending it, bro?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna play a game. It's called Pokeball.
It's straight needles, dude.
Yeah, dude. That hurt.
How much is that? How much is the durian here?
It's $7, dude.
It's only 7?
Oh, $8.99 per pound.
We're gonna buy a whole carton? Yeah, freaking right, dude. He won't even be able to finish 2.
Dude, I bet you he'll be able to finish 4, 5. How many do you think he'll be able to finish?
Yeah,
1 minute.
I feel sick already.
Serious testosterone after this.
Dude.
This is what they call Filipino Viagra. This is what they say.
Yeah, hey. Asa ang my pesos? Asa ang my how do you say my pesos? Asa ang akong mga pesos? I don't think you can go back to the Philippines, Carson.
Why not?
Cause you're dengue fever.
True. Zane's pre-gaming for the balut.
Yeah.
Save some room, dude. You gotta eat 5 of them.
Alright, how the heck are we gonna cook these bad boys?
So we're gonna get some water. We're gonna boil it for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, okay.
We're gonna put the balut in for 30 seconds. And they should be cooked.
Warzone stoked for some balut. How to boot ups. Oh yeah.
And then what do you do?
We're waiting for the balut to cook. It's gonna take like 45 minutes, so
At least.
we're gonna make a halo halo. What do you call this one, Gabe?
I call this the jelly squares.
The jelly squares.
Eat it. It's fine.
It's
Come on.
jelly.
It's jelly.
There you go. How is it?
Actually good.
Yeah, see? It's sicko.
Sweet.
We got
Beans, green beans, potatoes, tomatoes.
potatoes, tomatoes.
I got beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, lamb, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, chicken, turkeys, rat, you name it.
And then we got this, I don't know quite what this stuff is right
That's
here.
a coconut.
That is a cocoa nut. Yeah. Hey, you.
You're weird.
Sassy mama, come back here.
You're weird.
Zane's reaction to the balut. We're gonna give you a halo real quick. Do you want it before or after your balut?
Or do you want to wash it down?
Wait, what?
Do you want this hollow before or after your balut?
After.
After? Okay, we'll hold off then.
They gotta eat balut.
What's going on in your mind right now?
I just saw some videos of what it looks like.
You stoked? What's it look like? Send it.
Yeah.
Send it. Well, then you want to breathe. You understand me? All right. You gotta want it. You ready? Let's go! So we got 5 balutes, and we're gonna see how long it takes to eat 5 balut. So he's committed. He's got his name in a contract that if he doesn't do it, we're gonna cut his hair off. If he doesn't eat the 5 balut, and his hair is treasured. He's like Samson over here, okay? If he loses his hair, he loses his power. But his hair,
Look at those traps.
but look at these traps. But his hair is gonna give him the power to eat the 5 balut.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the main event. Yeah, y'all ready for this? Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's do this thing.
He's got the juice. He's got the juice.
Oh, dude.
Just put it in.
Oh! He didn't even look at it.
That's the way to do it, dude. You don't want to look at that. Not bad, eh? Just like hardball that. Not terrible.
It's fine, huh?
Dude, you're making good time, bro. It's 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Let's go.
You're doing good. You're doing good. You need a chaser? You need a chaser? Here's the chaser. Let's go.
Just grip it.
Oh! So juicy.
Oh, that's a good one, dude.
Oh, shoot. That's not even bad.
Oh, that's the bottom part. That's the chewy part. Dude.
Through the shell.
Dude, you got this. I believe in you, little brother. I believe in you.
Minute 45.
Oh, dude, you're making great time. 5 balutes, 5 minutes. You got this. You got this, brother.
Oh, crunchy.
Dude,
It smells so good.
you're almost halfway.
There we go.
Oh, that's the juice, dude. That's the good stuff right there.
Dude.
Well, the duck fell out.
Those are feathers, dude.
No, the duck already fell out. That's veins to the egg, dude. That's the worst part.
Is that the chewy part that you just ate?
It's killing me.
That's disgusting.
The determination. What do you think? Disgusting?
I can see the bird. This is sad.
Oh!
Get it.
He's crying. He's crying. Oh, dude, you gotta eat the stuff that you just threw up in the sink.
Believe me.
Oh my god. Save the best for the last.
Yes, just eat it. What is that? Where's the freaking bird, dude? Oh, they're all on the ground.
Ew.
Eat it, dude. I dare you.
What about the bird?
Least favorite part.
Really? Now you have to slither down.
The 3 rats.
That's less gross than hot dogs in America, dude.
Yeah.
There you go. It's a good shot.
Is that time?
Yeah.
Stop. Beep, beep. 7 minutes and 10 seconds.
That's not bad.
That ain't bad.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, you killed it.
Well, now you just gotta clean out the sink. Half of the balut is in the sink. Dude.
It smells terrible, dude. It smells so bad. Oh, there's the eye. You see the eye? What was the hardest part?
After like the second or third one, I can't remember. I couldn't swallow it.
The yellow? Or just
Yeah.
all of it? What?
Feel this.
No, I will not feel it.
That is
it's tough, right?
So tough. Forgot about how tough that is.
That's the grossest part.
Oh yeah.
Easily. Worse or better than you thought? Taste. Let's go taste-wise.
Better.
Better. Okay. Texture. So, about what you realize.
Oh, dude. Every once in a while, like I started chewing, and it started like.
The crunchy part.
Yeah.
Was that the worst? The crunch? The hard?
not fat first, but then the yolk.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't do that. It was like slimy. All right, everyone. I just did the Balut challenge. Took me 5 minutes.
7 minutes.
7 minutes and 10 seconds. I challenge you all to do it.
Yeah, buddy.
I wouldn't do it. All right, so it is freezing cold outside, and it is snowed a good layer. So we're gonna go get the ice for the hollow.
Let's go.
Let's get it. The thing that's unique about this is actual God-made snow. All right, man did not make this. God did. All right.
You're good.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Dude, that is real nice. A couple more.
Alrighty. One more? That should be good. So I used to work in a hollow restaurant.
Okay.
So I know exactly how to
The
make
proportions?
This. Yeah,
The
I know
portions?
the portions.
All right, a little bit of beans.
A little bit of beans.
All right, what's next?
A little bit of jelly.
Gelatin.
Yeah. I want to make it look nice, so try to not get all those other beans in there, so I'll try to
That
separate
is
them.
real nice, Clark.
All right, real nice. All right.
What is that?
That's a little sweeter than a mango.
That's all we got is one little mango.
And we're going to take some coconut.
Okay.
You got to have some coconut in there.
A little bit of buco. Dude, that looks nice.
It does look quite nice.
Couple beans.
A couple beans and some fruit.
Yeah. What about the ube?
All right, we're gonna open this bad boy up.
It's good sound.
And if it doesn't make that noise, ladies and gentlemen, take it back to your store because you will get food poisoning from it. So, what do you do with this now?
I don't know, just slap it on top.
You slap it thrice with
slap
rice.
it thrice and hand me to me mama.
That didn't sound right.
That honestly looks way good. And that is the final product.
Improvise, since we don't have sweetened condensed milk. They don't make it in the States here, so we're gonna use some whole milk.
Just a little bit, tiny bit. Oh, perfect.
Ooh, so sweet.
All right. Now, what does halo mean?
Hollow means, so you know, like those things that the angels have over them. It means that you have two over them.
Oh, a little halo.
Oh, yeah,
halos.
over your head when you eat these.
And it
So-
also means mix.
Really? Right.
So what are we gonna do here?
We're gonna mix.
We're gonna mix it. Oh, that's the wrong product. Is that my bad? There we go.
Here we go.
Dang, Gina.
I'm excited for Zane.
Honestly, looks good.
I'm excited for Zane to try this.
Yeah, it'll be a little better than your Balut.
It'll be
Just a little though. No promises.
The jelly's better, so.
You hate us?
I don't feel good.
Honestly, I hate us and I don't feel good. But you're gonna feel great after this hollow. Mm-hmm. Put your, come here. Open up. Open up. Get out of here.
How is it?
What do you think? Is it better? You smell like Balut, son.
You really does smell like.
It smells like upchuck Balut.
For real?
Yeah, don't go hang out with any chicks tonight.
Yeah, you smell like straight up stink.
How was that though?
It's actually pretty good.
Not too shabby, eh? Just a little bit shabby.
It smells really good.
That right there is a hollow, sir.
Cool.
Does that make you want to visit the Philippines then? Or the Balut?
Are you done with it? You think?
Oh, you're tapping out?
You think you can just leave this hollow here and not finish it?
Smell my hands.
Ew.
Your hands. Smell your mustache.
I need to wash that thing.
And what's up, Doc?
Yeah. What's up, Dad? Definitely not as good as the Philippines. Not even close. The beans are kind of gross, to be honest. Go for the beans. It's your
You know
favorite.
what? If you don't like our food here in the United States, you can get out of here.
The snow tastes a little weird.
Dude, everything smells like Balut.
Yeah. Please sanitize this place. Burn it. Close enough?
Close enough.
Close enough. I'm not a fan, but hey, do what you got to do when you're on the
Survive
USA
out here.
to survive.
Because right now we're surviving. We're on a low minimum Filipino diet right now. And we're trying to maximize it, but it's just not happening. So, you gotta make do with what you got.
Sige, so umano kami. Grabe ka isog si Zane. Lami kayo ang halo-halo dire. Para nako, dili man siya lami. Mas lami pa gyud sa Pilipinas. Pero, okay ra. So, nalingaw kami. Nalingaw si Zane. Bisan nasuka siya. Di ba? Oo? Oo daw. Ayo, so, sige, humar kami. So, salamat sa pagtanaw. Kung ganan ka mo ani na video, pwede ka mo mag-subscribe. O mag-subscribe ka mo sa ila kay he deserves it. 5 balut. Grabe. Sige, so, salamat sa tanan. O, amping ko mo.